I'm Jason, the world is yours, and today we're taking a look at photos of the Under Armour Curry 2 Splash Party sneaker colorway returns next week. Just like the Curry brand Curry Flow 10 Splash Party that we just previewed, the Under Armour Curry 2 Splash Party has been given the retro treatment as to also help celebrate Stephen Curry's upcoming 35th birthday. The retro iteration of the Curry 2 Splash Party is very similar to the OG 2016 version, with the exception of the chrome details. Details include a multicolored motif that land both on the lining and outsole. The colorway also features pops of color and birthday-themed Easter eggs, such as the addition of Curry's birth year on the inside of the tongue. When it comes to tech, the Curry 2 features an ultra-responsive charged cushioning midsole with compression-molded foam for ultimate explosiveness. The AU Speedform upper is both lightweight and breathable, that results in a cool look and feel. The extra durable outsole is given an organic herringbone traction pattern for superior court feel and grip. Retailing for only $150. Look for the Under Armour Curry 2 Splash Party sneaker colorway to re-release on Curry's Stephen Curry 35th birthday on March 14, 2023 on currybrand.com and at selected Under Armour brand houses. Okay, now these are dope, right? These are dope. I gotta be honest. I am a fan of these. This is actually the first time me seeing this sneaker. I have to approve. These are very, very, very dope. Let me see if it shows the birthday on the tongue. It does not show. Let me see if you could see his birthday. It doesn't look like they give us any photos of his birthday on the tongue, but I really like this silhouette. I really like the outsole. I love the multicolored outsole. I like that the laces are kind of white and blue. They're not just plain white laces. Man, I gotta be honest, I have no complaints about these sneakers. If I'm gonna admit it, I would buy these sneakers. I gotta admit, I'm not crazy about white sneakers at all. When the overall color of the sneaker is white, I try to stay away from white sneakers because obviously they get dirty way, way, way too soon. But for these, I like the soles, I like the silhouette, I like the laces. I have no complaints about these sneakers. They are a little bit pricey for Under Armour. They're $150 plus tax. But man, when I see these, I think these are dope, right? I can't admit, the price, it's not $190. I think that would have probably pushed me out of, I'm like, yeah, these are cool, but no. But I think for $150 plus tax, I think that would be fair. I can't really feel like I would complain if I wore these. And the thing I really like about these is, if I like the white colorway, I feel like they could release a lot of other colorways, right? Maybe for a cheaper price, because it won't be a special edition for Curry's birthday. But since I really, really like this silhouette, paying $150, for these, I wouldn't have a problem with buying these for $150 plus tax. But let me know your opinion of these sneakers. Would you spend $150 plus tax for these sneakers like I would, or would you not spend $1? I'm Jason, the world is yours. Happy early birthday to Stephen Curry. Today we were taking a look at photos of the Under Armour Curry 2 Splash Party sneaker colorway will be returning on Curry's 35th birthday, March 15th, 2023. Retail price of $150. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the $1 donation button, and please tune in to the next video on this channel. Thanks a million for watching.